Hey cuties! In this video I'm unboxing some stationery items I ordered recently. So first one is this cute diary. This cost me around 170 rupees. This is a pattern of hearts. Its page quality is very good. So the second one is this skin tone Oitra alcohol markers. I only had one skin tone marker left and it was also get empty. So I bought this complete set. Let's try it on paper. Its quality is also very nice. I'll mention all products link in the description. This cost me around 400 rupees. I've also got this colorless blender. Let's try blending. I'm using these two shades. It is blending very nicely. You can also buy it. So the third one is this varnish. This cost me 190 rupees. The shots in which I'm using this varnish is in the description. So that is it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.